The lawsuit filed in Illinois state court claims the companies concealed the health risks associated with potent prescription painkillers like Percocet, Percodan, and OxyContin so they could sell more and increase profits. In the process, the suit says the drug companies created addicts and cost the city millions in health claims for its employees. Some of those addicts, the suit says, even moved on to heroin because it's cheaper and easier to get. Legal scholar Harold Krent says the complaint is modeled after the big tobacco lawsuits.
They're not saying that the painkillers shouldn't be marketed. They're saying that there was deceptive advertising. And they're saying that the companies knew that they were far more addictive than they let on. They also knew that they probably didn't help as much.
The companies named in the suit are Purdue Pharma, Teva Pharmaceuticals Cephalon, Janssen Pharmaceuticals, Endo Health Solutions, and Actavis. The same 5 manufacturers were also named in a similar lawsuit filed in California just weeks ago in 2 counties. That suit accuses them of using deception to increase sales of opioids or prescription painkillers, creating what it called, quote, a population of addicts. In 2007, Purdue Pharma settled criminal and civil charges for misbranding OxyContin, agreeing to pay a $635 million settlement for marketing misconduct. But sales have been rising. Between 1999 and 2008, there's been a 300% increase in the sale of prescription painkillers. The CDC calls painkiller drug abuse a growing, deadly epidemic, responsible for nearly 3 out of 4 prescription drug overdose deaths in the United States. David Cohen is the clinical director at Hazelden Chicago, an addiction treatment center. He's also a former addict.
The pharmaceutical industry, being such a big, powerful force in our establishment, I believe has a moral obligation to educate the consumer on what the composition of the drug is and what the potential consequences of that drug can be. It's a moral responsibility.
A Janssen spokeswoman said the company is committed to ethical business practices and responsible promotion, prescribing, and use of all of our medications. She went on to say that they are reviewing the complaint. Representatives for the other drug companies either declined comment or did not respond. The city wants the companies to pay restitution and damages and change their marketing practices. Usher Qureshi, Al Jazeera, Chicago.